back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore innovative and sustainable living solutions. Today, we're focusing on the fundamental yet fascinating world of single-container house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This architectural approach takes the simplicity and strength of a single shipping container and transforms it into a functional and often surprisingly stylish living space. This isn't just about small living, it's about maximizing every inch and embracing a resourceful and often minimalist lifestyle within a defined and robust structure. What is the meaning of single-container house design? Single-container house design refers to the architectural and interior design of residential structures built primarily from a single repurposed shipping container. These designs emphasize efficient space utilization, creative layouts, and the inherent durability and modularity of the container. The single-container aspect clearly defines the core structural element, while house design underscores the focus on creating a habitable and aesthetically pleasing dwelling. It's about taking a standard shipping container and transforming it into a fully functional home, often with a focus on sustainability, affordability, and unique architectural expression within a compact footprint. What are the benefits of choosing single-container house design? Choosing single-container house design offers a compelling array of benefits, particularly for individuals or couples seeking a minimalist and sustainable lifestyle. Firstly, the use of a recycled shipping container is an environmentally responsible choice, reducing waste and the demand for new building materials. Secondly, the robust steel structure of a container provides exceptional durability and security. Single-container homes can often be built relatively quickly compared to traditional construction. They can also be more affordable, especially when focusing on a basic yet functional design. Their compact size makes them suitable for diverse locations, including smaller plots of land or even as temporary housing solutions. The inherent modularity allows for potential future expansion by adding more containers. Finally, the unique industrial aesthetic of container homes appeals to those seeking unconventional and modern living spaces. How to design your single-container house design. Designing a visually appealing and functional single-container house requires meticulous planning and innovative space utilization. Start by creating a detailed floor plan that maximizes every square inch within the container's dimensions. Prioritize natural light and ventilation by incorporating strategically placed windows and doors. Consider the need for insulation to ensure thermal comfort in various climates. Plan for the integration of essential utilities such as plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems, keeping in mind the limited space. Utilize vertical space with lofts for sleeping or storage, and install tall, narrow storage solutions. Choose multifunctional furniture that can serve multiple purposes. Think about the flow of movement within the confined space to ensure it feels as open and navigable as possible. Embrace a minimalist aesthetic with light colors and simple decor to enhance the feeling of spaciousness. How to build single-container house design with luxury facade. Achieving a luxurious facade for a single-container house involves creative use of high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail to elevate the industrial base. Consider cladding the exterior with premium materials such as sleek metal panels, high-end wood siding, like cedar or reclaimed wood, or even incorporating sooty ban, charred wood, for a sophisticated touch. Design a striking entryway that creates a sense of arrival despite the compact size. Upgrade windows and doors with high-quality, modern frames, Incorporate subtle architectural details, such as clean lines, integrated lighting, and a well-designed roofline, even if minimal. Enhance the surrounding area with thoughtful landscaping, using quality materials for pathways and perhaps a small deck or patio. Pay attention to the details, such as high-end hardware, minimalist outdoor lighting, and a well-finished exterior paint or treatment. The key is to use high-quality elements and sophisticated design to create a sense of understated elegance that belies the container's utilitarian origins. Ten Best Single Container House Design Ideas. 1. The Minimalist Studio Box. A clean and efficient design focusing on essential living with built-in multifunctional furniture and ample natural light. 2. The Lofted Microhome. Utilizes a sleeping loft to maximize the living area on the ground floor, often incorporating a compact kitchenette and bathroom. 3. The Expandable Side Pop-Out. Features a section that expands outwards, creating additional living or sleeping space when needed, effectively increasing the footprint. 4. The Green Roof Retreat incorporates a living roof for added insulation, stormwater management, and a unique aesthetic appeal. 5. The Glass Wall Oasis maximizes natural light and views with large, strategically placed windows, or even a full glass wall on one side. 6. The Murphy Bed Transformation utilizes a Murphy bed system to seamlessly convert the living area into a bedroom, optimizing space during the day. 7. The Vertical Storage Master features clever and extensive vertical storage solutions to keep the limited space organized and clutter-free. 8. The Fold-Down Everything design incorporates fold-down tables, chairs, and even workstations to maximize usable space when needed and minimize clutter when not. 9. The Rooftop Deck Escape adds a valuable outdoor living space with a secure and stylish rooftop deck accessible by a compact staircase or ladder. 10. The Smart Integrated Technology Home incorporates smart home technology for lighting, climate control, and security, optimizing efficiency and convenience within the small space. When designing a single container house, meticulous planning and a deep understanding of spatial efficiency are paramount. Every inch must be carefully considered and utilized to its full potential. Natural light and ventilation are crucial for making a small space feel larger and more comfortable. Consider the placement and size of windows and the possibility of cross-ventilation. Insulation is also critical to ensure comfortable living in all climates within the metal container. Multifunctional furniture is a cornerstone of tiny living. Pieces that can serve multiple purposes, such as a sofa that converts into a bed or a coffee table with built-in storage, are essential. Vertical space is your ally. Think about utilizing the height of the container for shelving, storage, and sleeping lofts. Careful planning of utilities, such as plumbing and electrical, within the confined space is also crucial. Finally, embracing a minimalist lifestyle and being intentional about possessions is key to thriving in a single container home. At Home Inspiration Studios, we are continually impressed by the ingenuity and resourcefulness of single container house designs, proving that great living doesn't always require a large footprint. Single container house design offers a unique and compelling approach to minimalist and sustainable living, proving that small can indeed be mighty. At Home Inspiration Studios, we are dedicated to showcasing innovative and space-efficient living solutions. By embracing the principles of smart design, resourcefulness, and a commitment to quality, you can create a single container home that is both functional and a testament to creative living. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best tiny container house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.